Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Blast Air Cooler is probably one of the most innovative personal cooling devices I've come across. With the scorching summer heat bearing down, finding a reliable and efficient way to stay cool is crucial. This compact yet powerful air cooler promises to deliver a refreshing breeze wherever you go, making it an ideal companion for your home office, bedroom, or even outdoor activities. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. Number 5. Arctic Air Pocket Chill, Portable, Rechargeable Mini Fan. This is the ultimate personal cooling solution. It's a pocket-sized fan designed to keep you comfortable wherever you go. The HydroChill technology transforms hot air into a refreshing breeze. This portable fan features 3 adjustable speeds. It's easy to use and provides instant relief from the heat. Simply press the button and feel the cool air. This fan is cordless and rechargeable, making it perfect for travel. It also has a built-in kickstand, so you can use it on any surface. It's designed to keep you cool anytime, anywhere. Easily converted into a desktop fan with the built-in kickstand. It's a powerful, rechargeable fan that helps you stay cool. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this fan is a must-have. Its unique design makes it ideal for summer and travel. Stay cool and refreshed with this amazing product. This mini fan offers 3 adjustable speeds. Depending on the setting, it can run for 3 to 12 hours. Live cooler and more comfortably with this innovative fan. What we like. This mini fan is perfect for staying cool on the go, thanks to its pocket-sized design and HydroChill technology. It's ideal for outdoor activities or travel. If you are looking for a personal cooling solution that fits in your pocket, this is the one for you. What people say. The unit is very easy to set up and use. It has 3 fan speeds and a timer. It is very effective at cooling a small area. Number 4. Cathy YODER'S Air Fryer Cookbook. Are you new to air frying? This cookbook is perfect for beginners. It provides easy-to-follow recipes to get you started. Explore a wide variety of recipes. It offers a diverse range of meals, from simple snacks to complete dinners, all made with your air fryer. Enjoy healthier versions of your favorite foods. This book focuses on recipes that are both delicious and good for you. Whether you're a novice or an experienced cook, this book has something for you. It includes recipes for all skill levels. This cookbook was released on December 1, 2021. It's a great resource for anyone looking to make the most of their air fryer. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of air fryer recipes, perfect for beginners. It focuses on healthy and delicious meals. If you are looking to start your air frying journey, this cookbook will provide you with all the recipes you need. What people say. The air cooler effectively cools down a room. The design of the air cooler is compact and space-saving. The air cooler has multiple fan speed settings. Number 3. Blue Marble NASA Air Rocket Launcher Kit. Introducing the Blue Marble NASA Air Rocket Launcher Kit. This amazing kit lets you launch rockets up to 250 feet using just compressed air. It's a safe and exciting outdoor activity for everyone. Setting up is a breeze. Simply assemble the launch platform, pump it up, and use the wireless launcher system. It's quick, easy, and ready for fun. Forget about costly engines. This kit includes 3 rockets that you can launch again and again. It's a more affordable way to enjoy the thrill of rocket launching. This rocket launcher is loaded with safety features, including a tilt sensor and a wireless launcher. You can be sure that it is safe to use every time. Make sure to read all the instructions before your first launch. You can also find troubleshooting tips to help you with any issues you might encounter. Have fun with it. What we like. This air rocket launcher allows you to launch rockets up to 250 feet using compressed air. It's a safe and fun outdoor activity for all ages. If you like a thrilling outdoor activity without the cost of engines, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The unit is very easy to set up and use. The remote control is a nice feature. It has 3 speeds and a timer. Number 2. Hessaire MC37M3100 CFM Evaporative Cooler. Introducing the Hessaire 3100 CFM. This evaporative air cooler fights heat and dryness. It extends air coverage with its unique 3-panel intake system. Adapt to any environment with this portable cooler fan. It ensures continuous water flow for 3 to 4 hours, providing excellent cooling. It fits comfortably in any space. This outdoor cooling fan has user-friendly design. It's easy to operate. Just fill it, plug it in, switch it on, and enjoy. Made with lightweight polypropylene resin, it reduces refills. The cooler has an 80% larger evaporation surface. Its delivery system reduces noise and vibrations. Hessaire has been a trusted name since 1996. It focuses on innovation and energy efficiency. It delivers reliable, low-noise evaporative air coolers without compromising quality. What we like. This evaporative cooler provides superior cooling with 3100 CFM and is easy to operate. It also features quiet operation for a serene environment. If you are looking for a powerful and easy-to-use cooler for your home or patio, you should consider this. What people say. This cooler really does blow out cool air. When we turned it on we could tell how powerful it was. It takes 4 gallons of water. But, when you turn the fan on with the pump, the air coming out was very cold. Almost like a refrigerated unit. It cools the entire room down to the point I have to turn it down because it gets too cold. It is not the recommended setup, but it is working for us in this heat emergency. Number 1. Hessaire MC61M 5300 CFM Portable Evaporative Cooler. Introducing the Hessaire 5300 CFM, a powerful evaporative cooler. It combats heat and dryness with its unique 3-panel intake system, extending air coverage effectively. This portable cooler adapts to any environment. It ensures continuous water flow for 3 to 4 hours, providing excellent cooling and fitting comfortably in any space. With its user-friendly design, this outdoor cooling fan simplifies your routine. Just fill it with water, plug it in, switch it on, and enjoy the cool air. Molded with lightweight polypropylene resin, it reduces refills with its 14.6-gallon tank and 80% larger evaporation surface. This portable cooler also reduces noise and vibration. Hessaire has been a trusted name since 1996, focusing on innovation and energy efficiency. It delivers reliable, low-noise evaporative air coolers without compromising quality. What we like. This evaporative cooler offers superior cooling with 5300 CFM and a large water tank for fewer refills. It is easy to operate and provides quiet cooling. If you are looking for a powerful cooler with extended cooling time, this is the one for you. What people say. The unit is very easy to set up and use. The fan is very quiet. It has a remote control. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.